In the last 6 months that I've known Cesar, everything's definitely changed.
This is stuff that even after 21 years of being an agent for different companies, companies wouldn't take the time to hire somebody like Cesar, because I don't know why. It's only to their benefit because his teaching is really practical.
I met Cesar Gomez a few months ago, and ever since I've met him, my mindset has changed completely. He has impacted my life. I've been developing some skills I never used to think I ever had.
I needed the mind shift that I was able to find once I started attending Cesar's trainings. And just in the last 3 months, I have doubled my income. And not only that, but I have also helped other agents.
I would definitely recommend other agencies or other agents to seek Cesar seminars. He's really great. He helps you see things completely different and approach them in a different way so that you can go ahead and get the results that you're looking for.
Just a lot of information he had provided. It's just been so amazing. So I am so thankful that he has come to our lives here at Nationwide, that we're able to learn from him, and I am so thankful for that.
I know he's expert on what's coming for the future for advertising. A lot of his training has to do with the social media advertisement versus the old way of advertising. If we can win that game, and if companies can learn that and learn that right away, it's to invest some time to get out of their comfort zone and learn that, it will be to their benefit to try a new way of doing things. So I really recommend him for at least that, to be a step ahead of what a lot of companies are doing, and to be ahead in the game.
Being able to expose others to the same type of training that Cesar has been offering us has been very, very beneficial, not just to us as an agency, but of course to them and their families as well.
Yes, I would recommend Cesar Gomez if anybody is interested in looking for any different type of skills training. He is definitely the correct person to go to.